When we first started investing, we didn't really want to be a mom and pop investor. We didn't want to be at the job site every day, like 6 hours a day.
Let me just clarify. When we say we didn't want to DIY, we didn't want to be at the job site, it was not because we didn't want to work hard. It's because we wanted to build a scalable business. That's what we'd seen in corporate. As we climbed up the ladder, we were able to, look under the hood of the businesses that we worked for. And we knew that DIYing things wasn't going to get us to a large portfolio.
Absolutely. And, really running it like a business, running it like a CEO would. And this is where some of our corporate experience, we were able to build those systems and processes and teams that was needed to be able to build and scale the portfolio.
Absolutely.
And while we focused on things that really move the needle in the business, right, which is doing the deal analysis, looking for the right deal to buy, building those systems and processes and keep constantly tweaking them to make sure we increase our profitability, we treat our tenants well, we keep our properties well, right? So just having that entire set of infrastructure in place.